Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start a workout with ice ring. To do this, first you will need to start wearing a ring on one of your fingers, then you'll be able to find the start workout option in the sports section of Ice Ring app. Click on start workout at this green button. Then choose the specific exercise. So in this case, we're gonna go with running. Click on OK, or actually it asks us to wear it on the pointing finger, and we can click on OK, then click on start, and it should begin that workout exercise. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.